let me walk you through the Dry Eye Smart app that has been developed by us. And believe me that this is going to change the way you see and treat your dry eye patients henceforth. Recall several scenes from the past when you were examining these patients. Someone who had increased irritation post cataract surgery. Did we look for conjunctivochalasis preoperatively, document it, and prepare the patient for worsening post surgery? A patient of moderate dry eye with SPK is unhappy with his multifocal IOL. Did we document Schirmer's, staining, and TBAT and make an informed decision about the pros and cons of premium IOL in that patient? As a cornea specialist dealing with aqueous tear deficiency, did we miss asking for reduced tearing since birth, suggestive of congenital alacremia? Did we miss checking for corneal sensation? Did we overlook the fact that the patient is on hormone therapy that could have worsened the MGD? Do we need to refer the patient to a rheumatologist? What and how should we communicate to the rheumatologist so as to make it more relevant and effective? Is the patient on hydroxychloroquine, and what do we need to check to rule out toxicity? What blood work should we advise for if we do not have easy access to a rheumatologist? How do we explain to the patient that his signs are improving and symptom sign disconnect is normal, and several other questions? Fret no more. For this lack of a uniform reporting system with a streamlined evaluation protocol has been the large unmet need in dry eye diagnostics and management. And this precisely is what the app has attempted to bridge. Using a combination of technology, clinical expertise, clinical experience, and vast literature support that helped key in the small pieces to see the seamless, bigger picture. A web-based application on the cloud has been developed for all of us to use. And here is a snippet of what it has to
Presenting
offer.
the Ocular Surface Portal Dry Eye Module, leading an innovative difference in the management and diagnosis of dry eye. A super user-friendly application made just for you that provides you with a gist of your data at a glance, with several panels that guide you and streamline your evaluation. What does the app need from you to generate a diagnostic sheet? Well, history, questionnaire, examination, a Schirmer strip and a fluorescein strip in just additional 5 minutes of your time. That is all, with mind-blowing schematic illustration for every finding relevant to dry eye. What does the app give you? For the first time, a diagnostic sheet that grades the type and severity of dry eye, in addition to the contributing and confounding factors at just a click. A Cornea Rheumat interface sheet that customizes your interaction with the rheumatologist. A prescription sheet with clear instructions along with preloaded advice to choose from. Comparative examination panel that helps you see the change your treatment has made. A need of the hour signs and symptoms trend chart that helps you discuss progress objectively with your patient. And so many more features just waiting to be explored. Everything you need right at your fingertips, providing you with a uniform reporting format and improving quality of care. The unique Dry Eye app we have all been waiting for that bridges the gap of the unmet need.
Developed, executed, and copyrighted by Shankar Netralia. This is an institutionally financed app with no SN branding in customized printouts. To register and sign up, log on to ocularsurfaceportal.in. And for further details, please email us to info@ocularsurfaceportal.in. Let me acknowledge the entire support team at Shankar Netralia, our technology partner, HNS, the closed user group that provided us with crucial feedback, and all of you who would be a part of the Dry Eye Module user group and crucial in providing us with feedback to this app. I look forward to see you on the other side of your registration and interacting with you further. Thank you very much for a very patient hearing.
Thank you, Dr. Geeta. Thank you, Dr. Is Dr. Somshila here? Yeah. Is or anybody?
I am here.
Yeah. Somshila, would you like to make a comment over this on this app?
No, I think I've already gone through the app because we saw it earlier on the groups, and we never miss whatever Geeta is doing. So this is, of course, a very, very useful app, and she's just summed it up very well. I think it's a marvelous innovation.
Thanks, Somshila.
Anybody else would like to make a comment on this? Okay, if not,
The initial feedback that we have had, especially from rheumatologists, Sonia colleagues, and our patients, is very, very encouraging and satisfactory. Thank you.
So this is open to all?
Just a mic test
yes,
also.
It is open to all.
I am very interested in smartphone apps, and I'm very impressed that we are having so many smartphone apps for ophthalmologists coming out. And I hope that we get more and more personalized and very innovative apps that we can use. There are so many things that we can do, which can be as something very simple, which can help in our clinical diagnosis, can help in our patient management, so many things. And this is going to be one of the tools which we have in our pocket.